Hey queens, check out this eye look. Oh my god. I loathe doing wings. I've been obsessed with doing my eyeliner with my, yes, brow product and a flat brush here. I start on the lower lash line, pull that out, and then I bring it halfway in. Then I start to fill in. Then I take the tiniest bit of product and start on the inner eye here and just reshape it. Next, I use a cool medium brown eyeshadow, kind of just to smoke this out just a little bit. I start with a flat brush and I extend this out, so I just smoke it out a lot. And then I grab another brush here and then I smoke it out even more. So just blend, blend, blend. Now this little trick terrified me when I first started doing this, but I blend it past my brow and into my temple. Oh my god, I was freaking out when I tried this. So then I grab a black eyeshadow, a small fluffy brush, and then I just start to, you guessed it, smoke it out again. Then I use a brush with no product to just blend it all out and make it really smooth. Next I grab my whatever color pop palette and the color Tardy on my ring finger, apply that on the inner part, and take a fluffy brush and just soften that out. Add a little highlight to the brow bone, curl them lashes, mascara. Then I just pop on a half-C lash, push that sucker up, and apply my black waterproof eyeliner to the top and bottom waterline. Like I said, instant eye lift.